Today I'm going to show you how you can earn $2.40 every 60 seconds. Now I know you come into this video with your guard up thinking that this is a scam and this title is clickbait, but just stick with me here because I'm really going to show you how you can earn some easy money and how you can earn it really fast. This is a no BS method and I'm actually going to show you something that works. So if you're interested in learning this method and actually being able to make $2.40 every 60 seconds, make sure you leave a like, make sure you subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, and comment down below after you've watched the video what you actually think of this method. So I'm not going to waste any time here, we're just going to jump straight into the video and I'm going to share all the value with you guys and share exactly what you need to do. In this video, I'm going to show you a 3-step process that if you put to work now, you can start to make some money with today. You're going to be paid out via PayPal, so you're going to need a PayPal account for this. If you don't have one, go and sign up for one. This is going to be working worldwide no matter where you are. All you need is an internet connection and a computer, and you can start earning money today. So now let me show you exactly what you need to do so you can earn $2.40 every 60 seconds. Before I do share this information with you though, if you do want to build a full online business, something that's really going to pay you in the future, then click my #1 recommended method in the description below and it's going to show you exactly how you can do that. But click that after the video and do this method first. So let's get started. Let me show you exactly what you need to do. Okay, so there are going to be a couple of websites we need to open and a couple of steps we need to follow for this to work. Now the first thing we need to do is go to Twitter. Now you're going to need to log into a Twitter account. You're going to need an account on Twitter. Now it doesn't matter what account you've got on Twitter, you just need an account really with a profile picture. You don't need a certain amount of followers, you don't need a branded account. You just need your personal Twitter account and that's what we're going to be making money with. Now what we need to do once you've got your account on Twitter, once you've signed in, is we need to go to the search feature on Twitter. Now a lot of people don't know this, but the search feature on Twitter is super powerful and we can use it to actually make a lot of money. And because a lot of people tweet on Twitter every single second, we can use that to our advantage to make some money. So here's what you want to do. You want to log into Twitter, you want to go to the search Twitter feature, and you want to search in something along these lines. So I'm broke, or I have no money, or I can't afford it. So you want to do, and this will all make sense in a minute. So you want to do speech mark I'm broke, and then speech mark again, and then click search. What this is going to do is it's going to pull up tweets of people that are saying I'm broke. Now you'll be surprised how many people are actually saying I'm broke on Twitter. So go to latest. And you've got here, I'm broke AF. I'm broke, yes I'm broke I'm broke AF. And these are all with 8 minutes. Now these are all people that are A, broke, and B, want to make some money. And we can monetize this and we can make a lot of money quickly. You can see these tweets are coming in pretty fast. And that's just for one keyword here. We could do I've got no money or need money. That's also a good one. Let me just see how many people are actually searching for need money. Not need broke, need money. So you can see need money, I need money, I need money right now. So a lot more people are typing in need money. So it's our job now as a marketer to make money from these people. Now you might be thinking, if these people have no money, how are we going to make money from these? We're not going to be able to sell them anything. How are we going to be able to make money from these people? So now what you want to do is you need to come to another website that I'm going to introduce you to. So go to Google and we want to type in Max Bounty. So type in maxbounty.com and you're going to be taken to this website here. Now of course, you're not going to have an account on Max Bounty, you're going to be taken to this page here. Now Max Bounty may look complicated, it may sound complicated, but I'm going to show you everything you need to know about Max Bounty and how we can use it to make some money. So you can create an account on Max Bounty completely for free. Max Bounty is what's known as a CPA network. CPA means in the marketing world, cost per action. What this means for us is we can get people to do different actions on different websites and we're going to get paid a certain amount of money. Now let me sign into Max Bounty. If you're unclear, which you probably are by that description, I'm going to show you how that works and what exactly I mean by that. So here's the dashboard of Max Bounty, right? There are different campaigns posted by different companies. Now what we need to do is remember these people on Twitter need money and they want to make money. So what we need to do is we need to go to search campaigns. And here's where Max Bounty comes in clutch. We can go to search options, and we want to uncheck all of these because we're going to be using social media. We then want to put the details to the USA, because this is just going to pay out the most and it's going to get you the most conversions. Where's the USA? We then want to go to all categories, and you want to scroll down and you want to choose surveys. Inside search, and you want to also click my approved offers. When you click search now, you are going to get what's known as survey websites. Now, survey websites, you might have used them yourself, but these are websites where people can complete surveys in exchange for points, which they can then go and redeem for like PayPal money. What we're going to be doing is we're going to be promoting those websites to these people on Twitter, and we're going to be getting paid, as you can see here, $2 per lead, $5.50 per lead, and we're essentially going to be getting paid for everyone that we can go and get signed up to this website. So you want to find a survey website to promote, and how you do that is you click on EPC, and that stands for earnings per click, and it's just going to give you an average on how much each visitor is going to be worth. So for example, if you send 10 visitors, everyone is on average going to be worth 34 cents. So you need to figure out how many times 34 cents goes into 5 cents, and that's going to be how many people you need to send on average to get one conversion. So we're just going to click on any random survey website here. We'll click on this one, Survey Voices. This will all start to make sense in a second, right? So Survey Voices is a website where people can go onto it, they can complete surveys, and they can earn $300 for sharing their opinion. Now, Survey Voices wants people to sign up for their website, and they're prepared to pay $2.40 per lead. This basically means they're prepared to pay $2.40 for everyone that you can get to sign up for their website. Now, you might think that getting someone to sign up is pretty hard, but this here means single opt-in. So all you have to do is get someone to enter in their email and click Start Now, and you're going to be paid for that lead. That's why this is so powerful and so easy, and why you can get so many people to sign up within minutes, right? So what we want to do is we want to promote this campaign here. We want to get a link which is unique to us. We can then send it to people on Twitter that need money, and we can then start to get paid every time people from Twitter go and enter in their email and click Start Now. Every time they do that, we're going to earn $2.40 per lead. So you want to go to build tracking link, you want to go to social media, you want to go to raw link, and then you want to choose a landing page here. So we're going to choose the first one. Then you're going to get what's called a tracking link. So we can copy that, and this here is going to be your unique link, and when people click on this and go to Max Bounty, you're going to then earn $2.40 every time someone signs up. Now, you've got a couple of options here. You can go and paste this link in a Twitter reply and basically reply to these people and say, I've used this website to earn some money, I was struggling just like you. Or you can go and shorten this using like a URL shortener service, so the link looks a lot nicer. So if you go to Bitly, you're going to be able to actually shorten this link, right? So if you go create, and you go and paste this in here, you can click create, and you can get a shortened Bitly link which looks a lot nicer. Click copy, and we can then go back to Twitter to the people that need money, and you can see it's refreshed right now. Hello, any sugar daddy, I need money for uni. So we could go and reply to these tweets and tell these people that we've made money with Survey Voices, and they can too. Now the trick here is to reply to these with your personal profile that has an actual profile picture, so you can essentially come across as a real human. You don't want to come across as spammy, you don't want to come across as a robot. You need to reply to these as genuine as you can and as real as you can. And that's essentially how you're going to make money. Now you just, obviously, if you haven't used Twitter, you reply to this, I need money. You could write here, same to be honest, I've been using Survey Voices for a bit. It's been making me a bit on the side. And you want to appear genuine, you don't want to oversell the website, and then you just paste in your link, right? You could even put an image. So if you put an image of the actual website, you're probably going to get more conversions because people are going to see the website before they go and click on that link. So that's been how you can earn $2.40 in just 60 seconds. And I really do believe in this method. It can make you a lot of money because there are loads of people that need money on Twitter. You just have to find them and you just have to reply to them. So that's how you can do it, guys. If this video helped you out, make sure you leave a like, make sure you subscribe, turn on notifications, and I'll see you all in the next video.